poppin'? What's up? Little Lyssa in the cut. Hey y'all, what's up? What's poppin'? It's the girl Lyssa here, and I'm back with another video. Today, I'm gonna show y'all how I get my two ponytails, like with my curly wet look. Okay, y'all? So let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start by parting my hair down. Oops, sorry y'all. I'm gonna start by parting my hair down the middle. It's really hard to part my hair, y'all, because my hair is so thick in the middle, but it is what it is. So I just really use my hand. I don't really use a comb that often, but it is what it is. So my hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this ponytail. This side, I'll just leave it off right now. This ponytail, I want it to be like right here. What I'm gonna use is this defining curl cream that I use. It's Auntie Jackie's Curl La La. It helps me get my curls like to stay popping, y'all. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna use. So I parted down the middle. I got this ponytail, and I leave a little curls out. Okay, so I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna use this toothbrush that I got, and I'm just gonna brush it down. Brush it, brush it, brush it. You want it to look curly and slick, so that's why I use the toothbrush. So then I'm gonna take a scrunchie and put it back like that. Yeah, this like look is just cute to just wear around, cute to wear out, whatever you want. So yeah, I like my ponytail to be tight. You can have it as tight as loose as you want. Boom, y'all. And then you pull. But you see? Look, I hair in my mouth. Okay. Next side, I'm gonna do the same exact thing. I'm gonna show y'all how I do my edges with this. to hairstyles when I don't feel like doing my hair, y'all. So yeah, cute, little, simple, looking like little kids. Yeah, but I'm gonna put this one I feel like is too loose for me, so yeah. But yeah, so y'all, that's the end of this look. Hold on, it's not though. Okay. Alright, y'all, so that's the end of this look. I really hope y'all enjoyed. It was something simple, cute, just on the go. You can do it in class, you can do it anywhere, y'all. It's so easy, so simple. I hope this tutorial was easy for you to follow. I'm sorry that I didn't like explain it word from word, but y'all, it's 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 easy, I promise. It's just a straight part down the middle. Well, not a straight part. That would have been a straight part, but it's just a part down the middle. Do your edges, put it in the ponytail. So yeah, if you want it to be real slick, I could put some gel or some edge control all on it, but I don't want my hair to be hard that much, so I just use some Curl La La curling defining cream or custard. So I recommend y'all to use that too if y'all don't want your hair to be like what's the name or anything. So if y'all like this video, make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button and make sure y'all comment down below more tutorials y'all like me to do. If y'all want to see me do more hair tutorials, more makeup tutorials, whatever videos y'all want to do, let me know down below in the comment section. Y'all, we are here. We are better. We are here. I'm here for you. You're here for me. We are everything. I love you. I will see y'all later. Bye. Peace.
Yep, that's me.